We all want to leave the world a better place, to contribute something meaningful. But how do we build a legacy of true positive impact? This essay explores practical steps. Is it about being remembered, or the quality of that memory? It's about the good we foster, the change we inspire. A legacy is not written in stone, it's in the lives we touch. It grows even when we are gone. Consider the future you want to help build. Your actions today are seeds for that future garden. Building a legacy is about planting those seeds with care and belief. It's a profound responsibility and an incredible opportunity. What does the future look like for those living in it? Your legacy is a living, breathing thing. It is the power to effect lasting good, a power that starts from within. This is more than personal success, it's about collective uplift. Many think legacy means grand achievements, monumental successes, or accolades that stand the test of time. But true legacy is deeper, more profound, and often less visible. It's about the values we embed in our daily lives and the principles we live by. Legacy shapes the future, guiding the next generation, not just looking back at what was, but envisioning what can be. It is a forward-looking contribution, a continuous effort to improve and uplift. A gift passed from one generation to the next. Personal success is fleeting, it fades with time, but a legacy rooted in community impact is different. It endures, it thrives. It becomes part of the community's fabric, woven into its ongoing story, enriching lives and inspiring future generations. This shift in perspective moves us from ambition to purpose, from self-centered goals to collective well-being. We must ask ourselves, is it for recognition or real change? Are we seeking applause or making a difference? A lasting legacy is built on a foundation of purpose, driven by a desire to serve and uplift others. It serves something larger than ourselves, something enduring and impactful. It's about the positive imprint we leave, the problems we help solve, and the lives we touch. This is the measure of a true legacy, one that resonates through time and space. It is about creating a ripple effect of goodness and positive change, one that resonates through time, echoing in the hearts and minds of those who come after us. What positive change will endure? What will people carry forward? These are the questions that define a legacy that lasts. It is about we, not just me, it is about collective progress and shared joy. This is the essence of a meaningful legacy, one that transcends time and space. It asks, what will continue to grow? What seeds are we planting today for a better tomorrow? This is true legacy. It is the enduring impact we leave behind, the lasting change we inspire. To build a meaningful legacy, start with why. Why do you care? What truly moves you? This why is the seed of your impact, the source of your passion. Reflect deeply on your values and innate skills. What principles guide your life? What talents can you offer the world? Your why is not manufactured, it is discovered. Listen carefully to those internal signals. Your why will give your efforts meaning and provide resilience. It will attract others who believe what you believe. When your actions align with your why, magic happens. Work becomes more than just work, it becomes a calling. Discovering your why is the first, most crucial step. It is the heartbeat of your future legacy. Take the time to find it. It will illuminate your path forward. This intrinsic motivation is unstoppable. Once you understand your why, find your arena. This is the place where your unique purpose can shine the brightest and make the most significant impact. Where can your unique purpose make the biggest difference? Think about the spaces and communities that resonate with you. Focus is key. Your arena is where your passion meets a genuine community need. It's where your efforts can create real change. Identify this intersection carefully. This is where your legacy will take root. It's not just about what you do, but where you do it. Look at your community with open eyes. Observe the dynamics, the people, and the challenges they face. What challenges do people face? What gaps exist? Understanding these will help you pinpoint where you can be most effective. Your why might resonate with a specific issue or group. It could be anything from helping the elderly to supporting youth initiatives. Consider your resources: time, network, knowledge. These are the tools that will help you make a difference. Start where you are, with what you have. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment or resources. Even small contributions, focused effectively, can grow. Over time, these small efforts can lead to significant change. The scale is less important than the alignment of your why with the where. This is strategic impact. It's about making sure your efforts are in the right place. Choosing your arena requires honesty and sometimes courage. It might not always be the easiest path. It might mean saying no to other good things. But this focus will allow you to make a deeper impact. This clarity of purpose is attractive. It draws people in and inspires them to join your cause. It draws in collaborators and supporters. People are naturally drawn to clear, focused missions. Finding your arena is about making a conscious choice. It's about deciding where you can make the most meaningful impact. A choice to direct your energy for the most meaningful impact. This is where your efforts will truly matter. This is where your legacy will flourish. In the right arena, your why will grow and inspire others. Building a legacy can seem daunting, but every journey begins with a single step. Start small, start now. The most important thing is to begin. That first action creates momentum. Think about one small thing you can do today. Something that aligns with your why and your chosen arena. These small actions are the building blocks of something larger. Cultivate relationships along the way. Legacy is rarely built in isolation. Connect with others who share your vision. Collaboration amplifies impact. Remember that impact is often a ripple effect. Starting small allows you to learn and adapt. It builds a solid foundation for the enduring legacy you aim to create. A lasting legacy is not built overnight. It is a journey that requires dedication and perseverance. It is the result of sustained effort day after day, brick by brick, moment by moment. Consistency is the quiet hero of impact. It is the daily actions that compound over time. It is showing up even when it is hard, pushing through the challenges and staying the course. This unwavering commitment builds trust and fosters relationships. Patience is the companion to consistency. Meaningful change takes time and growth is often slow. There will be setbacks and obstacles along the way, but they are part of the process. Progress might seem slow at times, but every small step forward is a step closer to the goal. Do not get discouraged by the timeline. Remember, great things take time to build. Focus on the mission, not just the milestones. The journey is just as important as the destination. Celebrate the small wins along the way. They are the building blocks of your legacy. Patience allows your efforts to mature and bear fruit, rewarding you for your dedication. Underpinning both consistency and patience is belief. A deep, unwavering belief in your why. This belief is your anchor, your guiding star in times of doubt. It keeps you grounded when challenges arise, providing the strength to persevere. The path to legacy is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires endurance and grit, the willingness to keep going despite the odds. There are no shortcuts to genuine impact. Every step, every effort counts. Embrace the journey, with all its imperfections. It is the journey that shapes you. Trust in the power of consistent, patient action. This is how lasting legacies are built, through unwavering dedication and belief. Your journey of building a legacy is a story that needs to be shared, not for self-promotion, but for inspiration. When you share your why, you make the path visible for others. You ignite a spark in them. Be authentic in your storytelling. People connect with realness. Share the challenges you faced and the lessons you learned. This vulnerability builds trust. Inspiring others creates a ripple effect. Your actions can motivate someone else to act. You become a catalyst for broader change. Your legacy is not just about what you achieve, it is also about who you inspire. This is the ultimate fulfillment of building a legacy. History is filled with examples of individuals who built legacies that transformed communities. Think of Malala Yousafzai, whose why was education for all girls. Her courage and consistent voice inspired millions. Consider Chef Jose Andres and World Central Kitchen. His why is to feed people in crisis. He started by responding to one disaster. Now his organization provides millions of meals globally. Locally, we see countless unsung heroes. The teacher who stays late to help a struggling student, the community organizer who starts a neighborhood watch, the volunteer at the animal shelter. These acts build strong communities. They create ripples of good every single day. These examples show us a common thread. It all starts with a why, followed by consistent effort. Building a legacy is within reach for everyone. It is about making a positive difference in your own unique way. Start today. Your legacy begins now.